for a helmet cam, and then one I mount on the other side of my bike. But I'm not gonna do the whole, not videotape the whole coast ride. It's pretty boring. I'll just get the interesting parts, canyon, parts of the coast, a bunch of street stuff. It's not worth videotaping, really. Who wants to see somebody go straight on a motorcycle unless they're doing close to 200 mile an hour? You can't do that. You got law. You got law all over that coastal route. So yeah, I'll do the canyon, maybe some redwoods, and oh, there went my battery. My battery's already gone on that one. And then different parts of the coast. This is give me quite a bit of video footage. And then it's getting warm weather, and then my brother's gonna go out and bust out my windsurf boards and give that a try. When we were younger, we used to surf, and so picked up a couple of windsurf surfboards at the yard sale, and give that a try and see what we think of that. This will be just a learning stage. I don't think actually it'll take too long before we can actually get into the groove of it and work the windsurf boards a little more than